All right, so continuing on with number 2. Let's step back for a second. Do you remember what happens when you put a plus Q inside a neutral conducting shell? Well, the electrons that are in the shell say, ooh, 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 I like you, Mr. Positive. I'm going to gather on the inside. So do you remember that it induces a negative charge on the inside shell? And because it's neutral, it induces, therefore, a positive charge on the outside shell. Okay, so that's really important because now, here I'm going to draw my Gaussian surface inside here. So now, when I do Newton's, I just called this Newton's second law. Really? It's Gauss's law. Now, this, what is my quank? I look at this surface. Look at that surface. And what's inside? I've got a plus Q and a minus Q. 0. So my E times 4 pi r squared equals 0 means my E equals 0. You knew that already. Okay, so the E equals 0 inside the conducting shell. That's that area A less than R less than B. In a lot of problems that we're going to do this semester, we're going to have, we're going to talk about regions, you know, the electric field and the magnetic field or something happening in this region. So that R less than A, right there was A, R in between A and B, that's here, and then R greater than B is going to be out here. Okay, so let's restart that and do R greater than B. Okay, so I'll just redraw that. Oh my lord, no. So now let's do R greater than B. So our Gaussian surface is here. You sick of writing this yet? Just wait, we're on number 2. So E times, and so you'll notice as we keep going, I'll drop things and I'll just go quickly to this. You do always need to start with this though, just to get your bearings. All right, what's quank? That's the question we're constantly asking ourselves. So here's my surface. What's inside? I've got a plus Q, a minus Q, and a plus Q, right? So what is that? It's Q. So we get this very familiar, hopefully by this point, result. So what does that look like? It looks like a point charge. All right. So so there were 3 regions that we looked at: R less than A and R greater than B. Both looked like a point charge, right? Remember? And then inside with A, then E equals 0. Okay, so that is the full solution to number 2.